Hey traders, and welcome to the trading channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the pound dollar. We're going to be talking about some RSI divergence. I'm going to be talking about exactly what RSI divergence is and how you can use it in your trading and incorporate it into strategy creation. Now, this video is going to be a bit on the shorter side, and the reason for that is because I'm currently producing a brand new strategy tutorial and course for EAP members that I'll be publishing to the website at the end of this week. Now, if you're interested in learning more about that brand new strategy and that brand new course, or if you'd like to learn more about the EAP, which is a Forex trading educational program that I run from my website over at thetradingchannel.net, then you can click the link in the description labeled EAP. And the EAP is a program where I teach you guys the strategies that I use in the market every day, and also send you what's called email analysis, where I'm emailing you 3 to 5 times a week analysis I'm doing on certain Forex pairs. So if you're interested in that, make sure to click the link in the description below the video. Otherwise, check out the intro and disclaimer, and I'll be right back to talk to you guys a little more about the pound dollar and this RSI divergence trading opportunity on this pair. Alright guys, so first off, let's talk about what is RSI divergence. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and delete everything off the screen, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what RSI divergence is. As you can see, this is our overbought line on our RSI. And once this market goes overbought, we can start looking for what's called RSI divergence. You can see if we line these up that our first overbought was right here, or our highest overbought was this high right here. And here's our RSI on that high. The next high we have is obviously higher, correct? If we put a horizontal line here, you can see that that high is definitely higher than this high. And now we come down here to our RSI. And as you can see, the high on the RSI, if we do the same thing here and put a horizontal line, you can see we have a higher high on our price action while having a lower high on our RSI. Now next we have another higher high. Move our horizontal line up. This high is higher than this high. And if we move our horizontal line down to this high, you can tell on the RSI here that we have a lower high here. That is the definition of RSI divergence. RSI divergence is when price action is making higher highs while the RSI indicator is making lower highs, or when price action is making lower lows and the RSI is making higher lows. So how do we take advantage of this? Well, just as with every other strategy, we need conditions and entry reasons. So our condition can absolutely be that we need to see RSI divergence. And you can even add to that RSI divergence, as I have during this trade. This trade's not only RSI divergence, but we're also in a previous resistance and support area on the daily time frame, which could act as resistance in this level. So we have daily structure. We're at a daily structure level, which is somewhere in this area. We also have this RSI divergence, so that's our two conditions in this specific strategy. And now what we're looking for is an entry reason. And guys, as we've discussed on this channel before, you can come up with your own entry reasons. The reason that I've chose on this specific trade is this double top and this shooting star candle combination here. As you can see, we have this double top, and we also have a long wick that pushed up, testing these highs, and immediately got pushed all the way back down right here. So that's telling me we have some selling pressure in this area, possibly from the structure level looking left on the daily chart, and also possibly from this RSI divergence, giving me enough indication to actually go ahead and take this trade. So currently, before we talk any more about this trade, I am long on the pound dollar at the moment from a trade that we took a few weeks ago in the EAP. This trade was bouncing off daily support, which is indicated by my blue line here. This was a daily support level. And what I was waiting for after bouncing off that daily support level is some kind of period of consolidation followed by a breakout. So here's a period of consolidation followed by a breakout. Stop loss below swing low. Targets are currently sitting at about a 3.1 risk reward. And I'm actually going to go ahead and take profits on this trade in order to go short here on the pound dollar. And guys, again, if you're interested in learning more about my Forex training program, then you can click the link in the description labeled EAP, or you can just head over to my website at thetradingchannel.net. And in that program, I teach more about how I use breakout trades and the conditions that I have for exclusive strategies that I've not taught here on YouTube. So that was that trade, which I'm going to go ahead and take profits for. And now that that position has been closed, I'm actually going to go ahead and take this market short for the reasons we've discussed. We have our RSI Divergence, our daily level of structure, and a double top here with a shooting star candle. Let's set up our position tool and see if we can get an initial target down here at this previous level of support. Alright guys, so that was a pound dollar RSI Divergence trading opportunity. And this is also a trade that I posted here on TradingView. What I'm going to do is let this trade play out, and I'll be publishing this video as soon as it does. So I'll see you guys shortly when this trade either hits targets or gets stopped out. And with the power of editing, that will happen right now.
Hey guys, welcome back. So I did want to show you guys that I did publish this idea to TradingView. And if you'd like to follow me on TradingView, then there's a link in the description below this video, or you can just search Stephen capital H in TradingView. And I know I said I was going to wait until this trade hit targets or stop me out before I published this video, but it's been a while since I posted a video here on YouTube, and I'd really like to get this out to you guys and give you some good educational content before the week's over. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and post this to YouTube before targets were hit. As you can see, we've started to move in the correct direction. So far about 20 pips to the good on this specific trade. So we'll see how this plays out, and what I'm going to do is actually put the results of this trade in this week's structure-based trading video that will be out at the end of the week. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you're interested in seeing more educational content like this from me, then make sure to click that like button. If you enjoyed this video and you want to be alerted next time I come out with more free educational content here on YouTube, then make sure you subscribe to this channel. And as I said before, if you're a struggling trader who needs help along the journey to becoming profitable, and if you'd like to learn a few of the other strategies that I use in my trading on a daily basis, then you can do so by signing up for the EAP, and I'm going to leave a link in the description for that in case any of you guys are interested. So that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you have a great rest of your trading week, and I'll talk to you guys soon.
Like me, it drifts away. I would watch you stare. I would watch you stare. Oh, but there's no one there. We can figure this out. Put your feet down. We are the lucky ones. Swallow your choice, it's done. Terrified of what's left remains unsaid until you break my mind. Until you break my mind. Until you break my thought. Until you break my thought. I'm throwing wishes in the world in hopes that you will keep them for yourself. And know there was a time when we never let go.